Now, ladies, turn your head. You're not going to want to see this. This, boys and girls, I want you to pay close attention here. See the red? It started fading now because they've begun giving me steroids. This is a major rash that broke out 3 days ago, and it started near my PIC line site, and it spread clear across my chest and back. This rash is called red man syndrome, and it is one of the nastier side effects to one of the antibiotics I'm on, the Vancomycin, for those who don't know what I'm talking about. It's a liquid IV drip. This medication has some real nasty side effects, and I've been hit by all but one, and I was hit by a side effect that is not listed as a major side effect, and that it was a complete loss of appetite. For the last 3 days, I couldn't even touch food. Then last night, well, yesterday, the doctor gave orders that my 9 o'clock dose of vancomycin was on hold, and it was to stay on hold until we heard from a different doctor. It is now noon, and we have not heard from that doctor, and I've actually been able to get on the outside of breakfast and lunch. My appetite has returned just because of missing last night's dose and this morning's dose of vancomycin. It's supposed to be every 10 hours. It started off every 12. They switched it to every 10 hours, and that was what caused the breakout of the rash. Now, what are the major side effects of vancomycin? Severe body pain. I mean, you feel like you've been run over by a tank or used by a famous boxer as a heavy bag. You just hurt all over. Itching can be one of the side effects. Severe itching. The red man syndrome. Migraine headaches. Yeah, I know, you're going to say, Embrato, we know you were subject to migraine headaches before you went in. Yeah, I was. I'd have one that would last 4 to 6 hours every couple weeks. I've had a migraine headache twice a day, every day since I've been in here. And I get the medicine to deal with the pain, and then when I get the next dose of vancomycin, bam, 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 I got the migraine again. So I'm on Benadryl, very heavy doses, and that's just making me sleepy. And they've got me on 5 milligrams of prednisone, and it don't get it done for the itch. I still feel like a man on a fuzzy tree. So far, the one side effect I've not mentioned that is a known side effect of Vanco is anaphylaxis. It's the one I have not gotten, and I think this is why the doctor ordered my Vanco on hold, because he was afraid because everything else has come through so badly that maybe that was next. At least I'm thinking that's what he's thinking. The one side effect that was not mentioned, if you look it up online, that I'm pretty sure is related to the Vanco, was the loss of appetite. 3 days I couldn't eat a bite. Every time I'd look at food, I wanted to retch. One good thing, I lost 8 pounds in 3 days. No, that's not a good thing. It's too fast. Cranberry ginger ale. Yummy. So, that's it from here at Prison Smithy. I thought I'd share these ideas with you to help you understand a little bit more about medical science. Peace out.